How to hide your Tinder profile. If any day you are bored of using your very Tinder application and you would like to hide your very Tinder profile from the various persons on the Tinder but do not know how to do that, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to launch the very Tinder application on your mobile device. In order to do that, you can go to the search section of your mobile device, search Tinder out there and find the Tinder and launch it. Otherwise, you can also manually search the very Tinder application on your mobile phone by just scrolling left or right. And after you find the Tinder application, you have to tap on the very Tinder application. After you tap on the very Tinder application, Tinder will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you have to go to the profile section on the very down portion, that is here. You can tap on the profile section on the down portion, and you can also go to the message icon on the down side as well. After you go to the profile section on the down portion, you have to go to the next option, that is the settings option on the top, and tap on the settings option on the top. After you go to the settings option on the top, you have to scroll down until you find the option of delete the account. Now you have to tap on the option of delete the account and tap on delete the account. Now you have two options. Number one is pause my account and number second is delete my account. Since you only want to hide your profile, you need not to delete your account. You need to go to the option of pause my account and tap on pause my account. After you tap on the option of pause my account, your very Tinder profile will be hidden from the people out there. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.